Today I'm making lemon cheesecake bars. I really like this recipe and it's very simple to make. We're going to begin with obviously fresh lemon juice. Not quite this many lemons, but definitely fresh lemon juice. I'm using 16 ounces of softened cream cheese, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, a teaspoon of lemon zest, as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 large egg lightly beaten. That completes our filling. For our crust, we're going to use 5 tablespoons of butter. We're also going to use 1.5 to 2 cups of crushed graham crackers and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. We're going to begin with our crust by using an 8x8 or 9x13 pan, lining it with aluminum foil and spraying the foil with Baker's Joy. This will make it a little easier to cut and lift out. So for the crust, we're going to crush our graham crackers till we have the 1.5 to 2 cups, depending on what you like. This is what it looks like when all the graham crackers are crushed. We'll add our 5 tablespoons of butter and then our sugar, and we're going to go ahead and mix that until it's a crumbly mixture. We'll press the graham crackers into the pan, the prepared pan, and then we're going to bake this for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. While it's baking, we're going to return to our filling and we're going to zest 1 teaspoon of lemon and just add that into a bowl. We'll take our 2 softened blocks of cream cheese and add the lemon zest to the cream cheese. We're going to go ahead and add the tablespoon of lemon juice, as well as a teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 cups of sugar. I think that's showing a 1/2 cup there, but it's 3/4 cups. And we'll go ahead and add the beaten egg and combine all the ingredients until it's smooth. Okay, so it'll have this type of texture. And then we're going to take the custard filling and add it to the cooled crust that baked for 10 minutes and we set aside a few minutes ago. We'll make sure that's really cool, and then we're going to add this filling to it and just spread it out evenly. We'll return the cheesecake bar mix to the oven for another 35 minutes, and until the edges are brown and the center will be slightly jiggly. So you can go ahead and place this in the refrigerator to cool for about 6 to 8 hours. So it's a great make-ahead dish. Once you take it out, you're going to slice it up into bars and you can serve it. I had it here with a few slices of lemon just to decorate it. But these are creamy with a crunchy crust, and they are great for spring lemon cheesecake bars.